I think peer assessment can be very useful. It can also actually be very useful for the one who's giving, just as useful for the one that's giving the correction as, or the assessment, as the one that's receiving it. I also think that, or self correction, where you're getting students to notice, is extremely important because if they can notice the error themselves and make the correction themselves, then we know that they have noticed and they're going to improve. There are many different reasons why students make errors, and it's important for the teacher to know why they've made the error so that they know the best way to approach error correction with their language learners. It could be the error could be because of L1 interference or mother tongue interference, or it could be something else. So teachers need to know why students make the errors they're making so that they can help them.